Do you know how your hamstrings feel when they're working? Do you know if they're actually working at all? Like, can you feel them whenever you're doing deadlifts, for example? For most people, the answer is no. And I'm going to show you a little trick to teach you how they should feel when they're working properly. It's probably not nice, you probably won't like it, but you should do it. Now, you get into the position like you would for a glute bridge, so the hips would go up like that. But instead of doing the same leg position, what you're going to do is, you're going to go onto your heel, so you're going to take one step out with both legs, and glute bridge up, squeeze really tight, and imagine you're trying to pull the heels to the bum at the same time. So if you can't yet feel it, what we're going to do then is put your hands at the side for support, then you're going to lift one leg off and hold it, and then replace it. So all that time, the one that's supporting you feels like it's pushing into the ground, you're pulling that, you're trying to drag that heel across the floor. So it's up, bum squeeze, dragging that heel across the floor, then hold it. And you can alternate. So that's just a little trick to show you how to activate your hamstrings. It's just to let you get used to the feeling, so that whenever you're doing exercises, you'll know, like deadlifting that, like you'll know if they're actually working at all, or if that's something you need to look at.